Hello guys, welcome to my channel Ashriya's Good Life. To see more of my videos, please like, share and subscribe. In today's video, I will be talking about dishwasher which we have been using for the last 7 months, and at the end I should also tell you whether it's worth buying a dishwasher or not, so that it will help you to make the right decision during this COVID pandemic. At the end of this video, I will also discuss the common misconception about a dishwasher. So please stay tuned till the end of this video. Now let's get going. This is our BOSCH dishwasher. This is power on, power off button. These are 3 push buttons. Radio echo mode. In this mode, the dishwasher saves energy and water. Half load. Half load is when you have less dishes. The functions use less water. Extra dry. Extra dry is when you want the dishes to be extra dry. Next is display panel. HR is for hours and MIN is for minutes. When you select any program, it will tell you how much time it takes to wash the dishes. You can see the alert here. If water, salt or inside is less, it will give you an alert. Moving to programs. The intensive Kadhai. The intensive program is for dishes that have heavy stains or food. This program has a high temperature setting to help remove the heavy stains. This takes 1 hour and 30 minutes. Express Sparkle. This program cleans and dries your dishes within 60 minutes, saving your time, energy and water. Auto program detects how dirty your dishes are and adjusts the heat, intensity and cycle duration to get them clean. Eco. In this mode, the dishwasher saves energy and water. Quick. Programs with the shortest turning time, ideal for washing a half load in under 30 minutes. Pre-rinse. For rinsing dishes if you do not plan to wash them immediately. Now let's start. This is the detergent powder. You need to put the detergent powder here and lock it. This is rinse aid. You need to pour the rinse aid here and close it. This is salt. You need to put the salt here and close it. The main reason to use the rinse aid is to get rid of photo spots, and the salt is to soften the hard water. To save your time, I have already placed the dishes in the dishwasher. This is upper rack where you place smaller vessels. This is lower rack where you place big vessels. Now let's start the dishwasher. I have set the dishwasher in eco mode and I will start the dishwasher. As you can see, the wash cycle has completed. Let us see if the dishwasher has done its job. See how it is? No doubt the dishes are clean, dry and sterilized. Now let's discuss about the misconception. Myth 1. Dishwashers are expensive. Yes, there is an upfront cost involved when purchasing dishwasher, which may be in the range of 30,000 to 40,000 rupees. Compare this one-time investment. They last an average of 8 to 10 years, with employing a domestic helper who will cost a minimum 1,000 per month for washing your dishes by hand. The long-term saving easily outweighs that cost. Myth 2. Oil and masala stains can be cleaned by a dishwasher. While Indian cooking often cuts to burn masala, gravy and oil stains on dishes. The misconception that a dishwasher cannot clean this is unfounded. Dishwasher features special programs like Intense Kadhai to remove heavy stains. It washes everything from crockery to kadhai. Myth 3. Dishwasher uses a lot of water. To hand wash a 12-placed dinner set takes nothing less than around 100 liters of water. Dishwashers on the other hand accomplish the same task using less than 10 liters of water, helping save the planet's resources. Myth 4. Pre-rinsing is necessary for clean results. You don't have to pre-rinse the dishes by hand before loading them into a dishwasher. Simply scrape off any leftover food and place them in the dishwasher. They come out spotless clean. Myth 5. Dishwasher uses a lot of electricity. Dishwasher uses between 1200 and 1500 watts of power, about the same as a washing machine. Would have helped to take decision on dishwasher. If you still have clarification, you can post in the comments below and I will answer it at the earliest. Till I see you next time. Bye bye.